ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञा मनीषिणः।
अयुवन्
अयुण्
ऋलुग्
ऋगक्
ये ओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ
ऐऔ
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जभै
जभै
घढधश्
खडधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफ छठथ छटथौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमगणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोघो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोघो कण्ठौष्टम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीराम शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
प्रतिहन्यते कलिकलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं परोक्षे विजानीयात्
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशा प्रकीर्तिताः
सदृशं त्रिषुलिङ्गेषु सर्वासु च विभक्तिषु
सदृशं त्रिषुलिङ्गेषु
वचनेषु च सर्वेषु यन्न वेति तदव्ययम् सुऔजस् औक्षस् ताभ्यां बिस् ङेभ्यां व्यस्
Yes.
Nasibhyam vyas.
Yes.
Nas os am.
Yes.
Ni os sup.
Ni.
Su au jas.
Yes.
These pratyas are supratyas. Okay. We'll chant Asmat Shabda and then we'll come back. Dakarantah Asmat Shabdah Trishulingeshu Samana
Dakarantah Asmat-shabdah Trishulingeshu Samana-rupah.
Aham avam vayam. Mama avam no asmannaha. Maya avabhyam asmabhihi. Magyam me avabhyam no asmabhyam naha.
Mahyam me avabhyam naha.
Mat avabhyam asmat.
Mat avabhyam asmate.
Mama me avayogo no asmakam naha.
Mama me avayogo asmakam naha.
Mayi avayogo asmasu.
Mayi avayogo asmasu.
Dakarantah yushmat shabdah trishulingeshu samana rupaha.
Dakarantah yushmat-shabdah Trishulingeshu
Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam ta yuvam vam yushman vaha. Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi. Tubhyam te yuvabhyam vam yushmabhyam vaha. Tvat yuvabhyam yushmat. Tavate yuvayogo vam yushmakam vaha. Tvayi yuvayogo yushmasu. Yushmasu, not suhu. This shabda, list of shabdas. See, all these shabdas you should be knowing thoroughly. Given a word, should be able to identify. Of course, patitavati leave it. Patitavati we will be seeing later. This shabdas you can leave. All the other shabdas, given a padam, a word, you should be able to say which vibhakti, what vachanam. Right? I have taught you nakaranta shabda, derivation, etc. Generally, it's not required. It won't teach, but I taught you because applying the rules, it's easy to derive the forms. No complication, no sutras, just knowing some rules. That's why I taught Akaranta Shabda. So 35 Shabdas in this list. The next list is there. Is this list okay? 35 minus 6 Shabda, maybe you can say. So 39 Shabdas. You must know thoroughly. What, Chitraji? If you keep it postponing for tomorrow, then one day will come. It becomes too much. Sanskritam is too much. So to practice it. Take some shabdas every day to keep on doing it. Okay, Chitraji is only Upalakshana. Savitriji for you also. Just saying.
Yeah.
All. I taught all the derivations, so that you may enjoy it, appreciate it, and it will create enthusiasm to memorize. It's not, see, memorization must be done. There is no alternative to it. Some people hesitate to say. I also hesitate, but now I can say, because you are into studying Sanskrit means you should have these shabdas with you ready to use. So all Nakaranta Shabda. We will chant some of the Nakaranta and Sakaranta also we have done. Some sample Shabda we will take. Sakaranta only 2 I have taken. I mean 2 sample. Vedas, Pullinga and the Napumsakalinga, Manas. In the same way other Sakaranta Shabda also, accepting some Sakaranta Shabda, which is the Shabda Manjari, like Shreyas, Preyas, etc. Those are different. I tell you what is that later, not required now. But these Sakaranta Shabdas, up to this 40 Shabdas, you must know. Okay. Just let us. We will not chant Nakaranta Shabda from next class onwards. So it means it is taken, it is known. And you have the summary of Nakaranta Shabda, how these words are, how these Nakaranta Shabdas are derived. You can keep this. It's much useful. It's all in a simple form, summary format is there. So look at this summary format now and then. So see that. So you don't forget. Okay. So do you all remember Nakaranta, the rules and Shabdas, how it is derived? Yes? Okay. See, I don't want to spend again time repeating the same thing. Okay. So just save time, because it's all the retaught and recording is there, you can do. Okay. Now, this Nakaranta, last time I will chant. Nakarantaha pullingaha atman shabdaha.
Nakaranta pullingaha atman shabdaha.
Atma atmano atmanah.
Atma atmano atmanah.
Atmanam atmano atmanah.
Atmanam atmano atmanah.
Atman what linga? Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga.
Pullinga.
Is any doubt in that? Huh? Come on. Pullinga
No,
Shabda, right?
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Yeah.
So Pullinga derivation is what we are chanting now, right? Pullinga
Yes.
declensions.
Yes.
Suppose if Atman is Nakaranta, then how would be the declensions?
If it is Nakaranta. If it is
Huh?
Napumsakalinga, I mean.
If it is Napumsakalinga, if it is possible Napumsakalinga in a Samasa context, in fact.
Yeah.
Then
Here we will not get the penultimate because this will not be Sarvanama. Only the 2, 3 will be
okay,
the Sarvanama.
very good. Okay.
And therefore it will come as Atman.
Or the declension would be anyone.
But it should still be, so it should be Atman.
Assuming it is Atman, okay. Satchidananda Atman Brahma, suppose we say, okay, something like that. So Atman Shabda, Nakaranta.
Atma would not be Dirgha. Atma.
Atma, then?
Atmanau.
Atmani.
Not Atmano, Atmani, very good.
Atmani. Atmani.
Yes.
Like Brahma.
Atmani, Atmani.
Brahma.
Like what
Like
Shabda?
Namam.
Palam Pale Palani.
Phalam Pale Palani, why Pala?
Brahma.
Like
Brahma.
You should give Nakaranta Shabda example. Karma Karmani Karmani.
Karma Karmani Karmani. Yes.
So like that it would be there. Karma Karmani Karmani Atma Atmani Atmani.
Yes.
Okay. So we know Pullinga 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 1 2 2. The pratyas enjoy the sanya.
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama sthana pratyaya.
If it is Pullinga.
Yes, I'm talking about Pullinga. Yes, Pullinga only.
Okay.
If it is Pullinga as well as Srilinga.
Yes, yes.
But Napumsakalinga 1 3 and 2
8.
we can represent the Sarvanamasthana pratyas of Pullinga and Srilinga by a pratyahara.
Sut.
Sut, simple.
Sut.
You don't have to say su, just out every time. Sut. Sut pratyas. Okay. Then the other pratyas are that which are not sarvanamasthana.
Asarvanamastana pratyaya.
They can be classified into two.
Ajadi and
Ajadi and haladi.
If it is haladi, then the anga, the pratipadikam,
Padam.
otherwise called prakriti.
Padam.
Padam.
If it is haladi, it is
I said ajadi, right?
Ajadi. Okay.
Ajadi
Ba.
Bhataya.
And so what happens in the case of nakaranta shabda, ananta shabda, if it is bha?
Is dropped.
A is dropped. A will not drop when it is preceded by a.
By a conjunct vowel ending in makara or vakara.
Exactly. Right. For makara example, this is atman.
Atma.
And Yajvan is an example for the conjunct ending with vakara. When followed by haladi asarvanamastana pratyaya, then the pratipadikam enjoys sanya.
Padam.
Therefore, you should remember all the pada related rules will apply.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So nakaranta shabda done. Atmana atmabhyam atmabihi.
Atmana atmabhyam atmabihi.
Atmane atmabhyam atmabhyah.
Atmane
Atmabhyam Atmabhyaha.
Atmanaha atmabhyam atmabhyah.
Atmanaha atmabhyam
Atmabhyam Atmabhyaha.
Atmanaha atmanoho atmanam.
Atmanaha Atmanoho Atmanam.
Atmani atmanoho atmasu.
Atmanoho Atmasu.
Atman atmano atmanaha.
Atman Atmanam Atmanaha.
Here Brahman is both Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Therefore, two forms will be there. In Pullinga, it will be Brahma, Brahmano,
Brahmano.
Brahmanaha. Brahmanam, Brahmano,
No.
Brahmanaha. Napumsakalinga, Brahma,
Brahmani
Brahmani,
Brahmani.
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 So, Napumsakalinga, we know Sarvanamastana Pratyaya 1, 3 and 2, 3, yes and shas. Those pratyas, you will see replaced by E. That is why you have got E here, right? And 1, 2 and 2, 2 also. That is replaced by E. Okay, that's why you have got E here. All these points you can remember. Okay. Same thing in Palam, Makaranta Shabda. Palam Pale, Pala plus E, Pale. And Pala plus Ni. That is E is replaced, sorry, that Shas and Shas are replaced by E. Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, therefore Numahama comes and Upada Dirghattam happens. Right? All those things happen. Because Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, that is significance. When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Pada Dirghattam happens to the Nakaranta ending. Right? Pratipadikam ending with Nakara, it's Upada get Dirga. That's why Navani, Karmani.
Yes.
And Karman is a Shabda where it is also Ananda Shabda, but A is preceded by conjunct. Right?
Yes.
Therefore, only one form we have in 1, 2 and 2, 2. Karma, Karmani.
Karmani.
Karmani is Bhagavachanam. But as Naman is two forms where the Lopa of Akara is optional. It's a special rule for Napumsakalinga. So Napumsakalinga, if it is Ananta preceded by a non-conjunct, then this is a special rule.
Okay.
Need to remember. This is only for 1, 2 and 2, 2. Option. Not for other. 3, 1 onwards it is A is Lopaha only. Goes away. Namna, Namne, Namnaha. Okay. That option is not there for the conjunct. That is by Karmani, only one form. Okay, let us stand this. Nakarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Naman Shabdaha.
Nakarantaha napumsakalingaha
Nama Shabdaha.
Nama, namni, namani, namani.
Namni, namani, namani.
Nama, namni, namani, namani.
Namni, namani.
Namna, namabhyam, namabhihi.
Namna, namabhyam, namabhihi.
Namne, namabhyam, namabhyaha.
Namne, namabhyam, namabhyaha.
Namnaha, namabhyam, namabhyaha.
Namnaha, namabhyam, namabhyaha.
Namnaha, namnoho, namnam.
Namnaha, namnoho, namnam.
Namni, namnoho, namasu.
Namni, namnoho, namasu.
Naman, nama, namni, namani, namani.
Naman, namni, namani.
Yes. Nakarantaha, napumsakalingaha, karman shabdaha.
Nakarantaha napumsakalingaha karman shabdaha.
You will see this karman shabda, forms of karman shabda in the Gita, many places. Okay. Forms of karma. Karmanya karmayah pashyet, akarmani cha karmayaha. The topics are karma, right? So you will see. Nakarmana manarambat, naishkarmyam purushoštute, karmanam, what vibhakti?
6-3.
6-3. Nakarmana mana, which chapter, you know? Okay, chapter, Gita, you should know for that, third chapter. So like that, you will see. Karmanyeva adhikaraste.
Karmani
That's
eva
all.
2-3.
Karmanyeva. Huh? Not 2-3. 7-3 it is. With regard to karma, it is Shya Saptami. Saptami Vibhakti it is. Karmanyeva adhikaraha asti te tava. To you. Te is you. Tava. Shashti Bhakti of Asmat Shabda. To be able to relate like that. So instead of doing simple Sandhi, we will just take whichever Shabda we know, some Vibhakti identification also. In fact, first and second chapter we did Sandhi. You can do Vibhakti identification. Nakarantaha, napumsakalingaha, karman shabdaha.
Nakarantaha napumsakalingaha karman shabdaha.
Karma karmani, karmani.
Karma karmani karmani.
Karma karmani, karmani.
Karma karmani karmani.
Karmana karmabhyam, karmabhihi.
Karmana,
Karmana
karmabhyam,
karmabhyam
karmabhihi.
karmabhihi.
Karmane karmabhyam, karmabhyaha.
Karmane,
Karmane
karmabhyam,
karmabhyam karmabhyaha.
Karmanaha karmabhyam, karmabhyaha.
Karmanaha,
Karmabhyam karmabhyaha.
Karmanaha karmanoho, karmanam.
Karmanaha,
Karmanoh
karmanam.
karmanam.
Karmani karmanoho, karmasu.
Karmani karmanoh karmasu.
Sambodhana, we have two forms. Nakaranta napumsakalinga shabda. Karma, karman, karmani, karmani.
Karma karman karmani karmani.
Vartman. Vartman also another shabda. So many are there. In Gita it comes. Mama vartmanu vartante manushya partha sarvashaha. Kutra asti Gitayam? Huh? Karma yogaha, third chapter. Yadi yaham na varteyam jatu karmanyatandritaha. Mama vartmani vartante manushya partha sarvashaha. People follow my path. Mama vartmani, vartman, mama vartmani. What vibhakti?
Mama, what did you say?
Mama vartmanu vartante. Mama vartma, not vartmani. Mama vartmanu vartante. Mama vartmanu vartante janaha. It's a sentence, vakya. Mama vartma janaha vartante, anuvartante, follow. Vartma, what vibhakti?
8-1, 7-1, 8-1.
8-1.
No.
Come on. Sentence is very clear. Huh?
1-1.
Mama vartma janaha anuvartante. Anuvartante Kriyapadam. What vibhakti, what vachanam?
Bahuvachanam, Pratama vibhakti.
Bahuvachanam,
Pratama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Labate, labete, labante.
1 3.
And Anu is Upasarga. Vartate, vartete, vartante. Ke, not English ke. Ke, Janaha, Kagako ke. Janaha Anuvartante. What?
Yes. Mama Vartma.
Vartma.
Object,
They follow my
Vartma.
route, my marga, my route. Now, for Vartma is what now?
2 1.
6-1. Kutra asti 6-1? Huh?
2 1.
It is 2-1. They follow my path. Because object it is. It is object.
I thought that it is my quality.
Vartma, I said path, marga, not quality.
Yes.
That is quality. Quality, we don't, guna only is a, Vartma is not the, Mama Vartma. Even if it is quality,
Vartma.
how can be Shashti then? Mama is Shashti, Vartma is not Shashti. Even if it is quality. People follow what? For that object must be there. Not Shashti, right?
Vartma means path.
Marga.
Okay.
How do you decline? Vartma, Vartmani, Vartmani, Vartma, Vartmani, Vartmani, Vartmana, Vartmabhyam, Vartmabihi, Vartmane, Vartmabhyam, Vartmabhyah, Vartmanaha, Vartmabhyam, Vartmabhyah. Nothing happens. Yes or no?
Will happen.
It will happen, no?
No.
Between Takara is there, okay?
Is there, right?
Then how can it happen? Takara is not allowed. Vartmanaha, Vartmanoho, Vartmanam.
Intervening letter is a problem. Okay.
Takara, intervening. Vartmani, Vartmanoho, Vartmasu. Vartman, Vartma. Vartmani, Vartmani. So, all these words are used in the Gita. Okay. Sakaranta Shabda is also, you take as a homework and do. You are not doing homework. Nobody is sending homework. Huh? Just put it in like a post box. I put it, but no reply. Nakaranta Shabda, I did summary like this. Similarly, Sakaranta Shabda you can do for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. The special Sakaranta Shabda, leave it. That is out of scope now. We can do it maybe later, not now, after some time, after few classes. But this is simple Sakaranta Shabda. Here Sakara is just us only. Note this as us ending. Suppose if I say Asu, then it is different. Asu is the letter. It is just us. That is us is of the pratyaya. So Sakaranta Shabda, simple. If it is Asu, the declensions are different. That we will see later. Like the Shreyas, Preyas, like those Shabdas. Okay, let's see. Now let's chant. Sakarantaha, Pullingaha, Vedhas Shabdaha.
Sakarantaha, Pullingaha, Vedhas Shabdaha.
Vedhaha, Vedhasau, Vedasaha.
Vedhaha, Vedhasau, Vedasaha.
Jata Vedase, Sunava, Maso, Mamarati, Yato. Where is Jata Vedase? What vibhakti, what vachanam?
7-1, Jata Vedase.
Come on, huh?
No.
A is A
Sorry, sir.
Chaturthi.
It's 4, Chaturthi, 4-1.
4-1.
So, Jata Vedase. That is the
4-1.
Chaturthi. Jata Vedas Shabda. Vedasam, Vedasau, Vedasaha.
Vedhasam,
Vedasam,
Vedhasau, Vedasaha.
Vedhasa, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobihi.
Vedhasa, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobihi.
Vedhase, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobhyaha.
Vedhase, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobhyaha.
Vedasaha, Vedhobhyam, Vedhobhyaha.
Vedasah,
Vedobhyah,
Vedobhyah,
Vedasah, Vedasoho, Vedasam,
Vedasah,
Vedasoho,
Vedasam,
Vedasam,
Vedasi, Vedasoho, Vedasu.
Vedasi,
Vedasoho,
Vedasu.
Vedasu,
What happened to Sakara? Sorry, it's wrong, no?
Vedasu,
Vedasu, not Vedasu. Sakara cannot swallow it. It is there, right?
Or Vedasu.
yes.
Vedasu or Vedahasu? Vedasu. Okay.
Yaha,
Vedaha, Vedaso, Vedasaha.
Vedaha, Vedasau, Vedasaha.
Vedasah,
In Gita, the first chapter, it is there. One Sakaranta Shabda. Yudha Manyuscha Vikrantaha. What is the next word?
Uttamojascha Viryavan.
Uttamojascha Uttamojaha. So many Uttamojas. No. Uttamojaha plus cha. Uttamojaha plus cha. Uttamojas Shabda. So many are there. We can add like that. How do you declare Uttamojas? Uttamojaha. Uttamojasau. Uttamojasaha. So like that we can.
Uttamojasam,
Yes.
Uttamojasau, Uttamojasaha.
So we can take all those shabdas as example. Uttamojas Shabda. Nachiketas, of course. Which I gave this homework, all this in.
What does it mean, Sharani? Uttamojas?
It is the name of the person. I don't know what is it. You have to check. Uttamojas. Uttamojas. Let me quickly check. Okay. So the Vitpati I have to see, not there. Yudamanyu, Uttamojas, they are brothers. That is what else have given? Okay, anyway, I'll check that. I don't know. Okay, the Vyutpati is very difficult. I tried, but for my Gita grammatical class at the beginning, it takes a lot of time to probe into it, find out. It's not there. You have to find out. I think so.
But here also, Saptami Bhuvachan, there will be Veda Su also. Veda Su.
Where?
There, 7-3.
It is there.
Veda Su.
Optionally, that is also possible. Then Napumsakalinga. Sakarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Manas Shabdaha.
Sakara.
Napumsakalingaha, Manas Shabdaha,
Manas Shabdaha,
Manaha Manasi, Manamsi.
Manaha Manasi Manamsi,
Manaha Manasi Manasi,
Manaha Manasi, Manamsi.
Manaha Manasi
Manaha
Manamsi,
Manasi Manamsi,
Manasa Manobhya Manobhihi.
Manasa
Manasa
Manobhyam
Manobhyam Manobhihi,
Manase Manobhyam Manobhyaha.
Manase
Manase
Manobhyaha,
Manasaha Manobhyam Manobhyaha.
Manasa
Manasaha
Manobhyam
Manobhyam Manobhyaha,
Manasaha Manasoho Manasam.
Manasaha
Manasaha
Manasoho,
Manasoho
Manasam.
Manasam,
Manasi Manasoho Manassu.
Manasi,
Manasi
Manasoho,
Manasoho
Manasu.
Manasu,
Manaha Manasi Manamsi.
Manaha
Manasi,
Manasi
Manasi.
Manamsi.
Yes, sir.
In Puja Swamiji's book, he has given Yudhamanyu and Uttamojas were brothers, and they were princes
Yes.
under the king of Panchala. They fought valiantly.
That's okay.
for
Vyutpati
the-
is not given, right?
They've not given.
Okay. Chetas also same meaning. Nabas is Akasha. Nabaha Nabasi. Nabhamsi. Okay, so Sakaranta. What about Chandas? Can add Chandaha, Chandasi, Chandhamsi,
Chandamsi.
Chandaha, Chandasi, Chandhamsi. Napumsakalinga, Chandas.
Chandasa.
We can decline like that.
Chandrobhi.
Now let us see. So up to Sakaranta, we have done this, right? So Napumsakalinga and Pullinga done. Here, Gita, the first two chapters we did, you can find out what are all the shabdas which we have seen. Jayasi. Jayasi is Ikaranta Shabda, Srilinga Shabda, Nadi Shabdavat. It is Napumsakalinga because Buddhihi is talked about. Buddhi is qualified. Buddhihi, Buddhi in Srilinga, that's Jayasi. But Jayasi, if you see, it is from the Pullinga Shabda, Jayas, Sakaranta Shabda. Is it like Vedas? No. This is also like a Shreyas, completely different. So that's why I said that's another Sakaran, Asu ending. Asu ending Shabdas, we will see later. The declension is different. Jyayan, Jyayam, so Jyayam Saha. Jyayam Sam, Jyayam, so Jyayasaha. So like that, this is Jayas is declined. It is Srilinga here. Srilinga is simple. Add E becomes a Srilinga Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, Jayasi. Okay. This is Sakaranta. From here onwards, when we do Sandhi, we can find out this Shabda also, Vibhakti, non-Shabdas and Vibhakti. Karmani. Tat Kargore Karmani Mam Niyojayasi Ekeshava. Kim. Why? Karmani, what Vibhakti?
7,
7-1.
7-1. Niyojayasi, we know. Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Tvam, right?
2-1.
Tvam Patasi, Tvam Niyojayasi. You
What is
engage.
Neo-JC meaning?
You engage me. Yojayasi. You connect me with this karma. You put me in, prompt me. Then Vyamishreneva Vakyena Buddhim Mohayasiva me. Tadekam Vada Nischitya Yena Shreyaha Aham Apnuyam. Shreyaha is Shreyas Shabda. Sakaranta. Don't think it is Shreyaha like Dhamma Shabda. Shreyas, which we have not seen, we will see later. What is Sandhi here? Vyamishreneva.
Vyamishrena Iva.
Mani.
Vyamishrena plus Iva. Vyamishrena Pratipadikam. Akaranta plus Iva Gunasandhi. Vakyena Pratipadikam.
Okay.
Vakya Napumsakalinga. Vakyam Vakya Vakyani. Buddhim. Buddhi 2-1.
Buddhi.
Mohayasi. Mohayasi is what Purusha, what Vachanam?
7.
Not 7. Mohayasi Kriyapadam. Okay.
Yeah.
Not Sakaranta Shabda. Don't take it as Jayasi. It's not like that. It's a Kriyapadam.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, good. Jayasi is not a Jayasi is there. Okay. It's not a Kriyapadam. Here Sandhi is a Mohayasi. E. Rasva E. It means it's a Pratyaya. Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. Tvam. May. May is okay. What is May?
Mama me.
Yes, Mama May. Or Magyam May also is there. But it is not Magyam May. It is Mama May Shashti. My Buddhi. Mama Buddhim, you delude as though. Tadekam, Tatu plus Ekam, only Jashtva. And of course, Anuswara Sandhi and all is there, that you know it. Vada is a Kriyapadam. But Vada is there without any Pratyaya. What sort of this Kriyapadam is? We will see later. It's a Lot Lakara.
Yes. Prerana.
Nishchitya, indeclinable. Yena, what Vibhakti Yena?
3-1.
What Shabda is?
Yat.
Yat. Shreyaha aham apnuyam. Aham, I. Apnuyam also? Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam.
Which Lakara? Not for all. Shri. Medha. Apnuyam.
The
Aham apnuyam. Yam.
the
Ling Lakara it is.
yeah,
Yam. Yat yatam yuhu. Yaha yatam yata. Yam. Apnuyam. It is. Aham apnuyam. Vidilingi.
Sharanji, the first word, Vyamishrena, what was the Pratipadikam? I missed that.
Vyamishrena.
And Pullinga Shabda?
Yeah. Vyamishre. Oh, okay. 1 minute. Yeah. Vyamishrena. Vyamishreneva. Okay. What sandhi is there? Vyamishrena.
Eva.
Eva. Sorry. What I did? I said Tritiya. I didn't see it properly. Kshimita. I overlooked it. Vyamishrena Eva. Vyamishrena Eva. It is Vyamishra Shabda. Okay. Vyamishra Shabda. Then only Tritiya is Vyamishrena will come. Right?
Yes.
Vyamishra Shabda. Yes. Lokesmin Dvividha Nishta Pura Prokta Maya Naka. Jnana Yogena Sankyanam Karma Yogena Yoginam. Loke. What Pratipadikam? What Sandhi? Sandhi, I think you know. Okay, what Sandhi you know first? Let us see Sandhi. Huh? What Sandhi?
Purva
Purva Rupa
Sandhi.
Sandhi. There is no Uttam and all here. Only Purva Rupa. Loke, Padanta, Ying followed by A. Loke, what vibhakti?
7.
Loka Shabda.
Seven
Pullinga,
one.
yes, it's Pullinga. Asmin, what is the Pratipadikam?
Asmat.
7 1.
Asmata.
Mama. Aham.
Aham.
Ahmad.
Not
Idam
Aham.
Shabda.
Just now we chanted Asmat Shabda. There is no Asmin there. What is Saptami of
Idam.
Asmat?
Idam
Mayi.
Shabda.
Mayi is that?
Idam Shabda.
Idam
Pullinga.
Shabda.
Yes.
7-1.
Asmin means it is Asmad. No.
No,
Mayi.
sorry.
Mayi is Asmad.
Yes, yes.
Saptami, Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Asmin, Idam Shabda, Pullinga here. Because Loka is Pullinga. Asmin Loke, in this Loka, in this world. Where is here? My world here. Huh? Mayi Loke, you can say my world. In my world. Dvidha Nishta. Nishta is Srilinga. Akaranta. Pura also. But Pura is in before, indeclinable. Huh? Prokta, Maya, Naka. Pra plus what Sandhi? Ta. Here also, Maya Naga Sandhi is that. If you should have given one Avagraha, that would have been
Maya
clear.
Naga.
Anaka. Anaka is Gha, Aga, Na Aga. Aga is Papa. Anaga is without Papa.
Sinless.
Blemishless. We don't use the word sin, huh? Blemishless. Jnana Yogena. Pratipadikam.
Jnana Yoga.
Jnana Yoga. The one, okay, Jnana Yogin, suppose if we say Jnana Yogin, Nakaranta Shabda. Jnana Yogaha Asya Asti iti Jnana Yogin. Like Karma Yogi we say, right? Karma Yogi, Nakaranta Shabda. Karma Yogino, Karma Yoginaha. Karma Yoga is Pullinga, Nakaranta Shabda. Karma Yogin, Nakaranta Shabda. Karma Yogi, Karma Yogino. Here is that, Yogin, yeah.
Amen.
Yogina, what vibhakti?
6 3.
6-3. Pratipadikam?
Yogin.
Yogin, Yogi, Yogino, Yoginaha, Nakaranta Shabda, like what Shabda? Current. Pullinga, right? Yogi, Yogino, Yoginaha. Nakarmanam anarambat. Karmanam.
Aram. No, Aram.
Naramba, not starting. Huh?
Anarambha.
What Sandhi is here?
Narambhat Naishkarmyam.
Arbahat na.
Anarambat plus na plus Naishkarmyam. Huh?
Anarambha.
What is that?
Parasa Varna.
Anarambat. First is Justum Milapan. Then Dakara, ear letter, followed by what letter? Anunasika. So replaced by Anunasika. Nakara letter. 5th class of that class.
Rambana.
Consonant. Anarambat is Panchami. of the Shabda Anarambha. Arambha, na arambha, anarambha. Anarambat, Naishkarmyam. Purushoshnuте. Yes, Sandhi is
Purushah Ashnute.
what Sandhi?
Purvaru.
Pururups.
Purushaha becomes
Utvam
Purusho.
followed by
Purusho is Pururupa Sandhi.
Utva Guna, then
Utvam and then
Yes. Utvam Guna followed by
Pururup.
Pururupa Sandhi. Second line. Nacha Sanyasana. Sanadeva. What Sanadeva?
Sanyasanat Eva.
Sanyasanat.
Sanyasanat.
Justum
Just
and
one.
then joining. Sanyasanat. Pratipadikam.
Sanyasana. Sana.
Sanyasana.
Sanyasana.
Sanyasanam. Sanyasane. Sanyasanani. Siddhim. Siddhim is Siddhi Shabda. Ikaranta. Buddhim, Siddhim, 2-1.
Two.
Samadhi Gacchati. Gacchati we know. And some plus Adi is prefix. Samadhi Gacchati, Samadhi Gacchataha, Samadhi Gacchanti. Beggar we can decline. Okay. Now, coming back. So Sakaranta, Nakaranta done. So all the Shabdas you need to remember. Okay. Any doubts in Nakaranta, Sakaranta? Yes. Shall we move forward? Yes, sir, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have to do homework. So you follow practice of Sakaranta. Give many homework. Shabda Rupani. If you see Shabda Manjari, you will see many Shabdas. Okay, now let us move further. So we were chanting this. The next one. Tiptasti,
Tiptasti.
Siptastha,
Siptastha.
Mipvasmas,
Mipasmas.
Vasma.
Ta Atam Jha,
Ta.
Thas Atham Dvam,
Has.
Yit Vagi Maging.
It.
This collection of pratyas can be referred to by a pratyahara. That is,
Thing.
Thing.
what is thing connected to the last class?
Sarvanama Pratyaya. Sarvanama.
Sarvadhatuka, not Sarvanama.
Sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
First, the name has to be very
Yes.
clear. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. What are Sarvadhatuka pratyas?
Those thing as well as shit.
Shit pratyaya.
Thing pratyas and
Shit.
Shit.
what are shit pratyas?
The where Shakara is the it letter.
Shakara is it, in which pratyaya? That pratyaya is a
Is
shit
called
pratyaya.
Shit pratyaya. And that is
Right.
the Sarvadhatuka pratyaya.
yes.
So thing shit Sarvadhatuka. What about other pratyas?
Ardha.
Ardhadhatuka.
This Sarvadhatuka, Ardhadhatuka pratyas. Can we add the Sarvadhatuka pratyaya to a dhatu? To a pradipadikam?
No. Only to Dhatu.
So the pratyas which are added to dhatus alone
Are called.
are classified as Sarvadhatuka and Ardhadhatuka. Only dhatu can take, not the pradipadikam, right?
Yes.
See. So dhatu can take Sarvadhatuka pratyaya or Ardhadhatuka pratyaya, right? Pratyaya should come after the dhatu, not before. But also we know this is number 1. Then we said Sarvadhatuka pratyas are thing and
Ship.
shit.
Shit.
Not ship,
Shit.
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 Dhatu plus thing results in
Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam. So thing pratyas are, added to dhatus and the resultant is a Kriyapadam. Then what about shit pratyaya then? That also will be will result in Kriyapadam. No,
Atu.
because already we said
Depends.
subantam, sup thing is padam only.
Yeah.
Sup anta, anting anta only padam. Nothing else can be padam. Please note. Sup anta, that is subanta, subantam, and tingantam only are padam. They only enjoy what sanya? Pada sanya, nothing else. Other things will not enjoy pada sanya, other pratyas. So dhatu plus shit pratyaya.
Vikaran-
Sarvadhatuka pratyaya.
Pratipadikam it is. Pratipadikam.
Why
Vikaran-
Vikarna and all?
Vikaran Yukta Anga.
That's not required. What you get final? Vikarna pratyaya, anga, what does it mean?
Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
The resultant is not a kriya padam, simple. Resultant is not a kriya padam, then what must be? Shit pratyaya means could be any pratyaya. So instead of writing shit, please see here. The pratyas which is not a thing, therefore I can say it as a thing, right?
Yes.
Under a thing only shit pratyas, etc. will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
The resultant is not a kriya padam, it cannot be. So it will be pratipadikam.
So do we also see Ardha Dhatuka also part of a thing?
Hold on. So this we are dealing with only sarvadhataka. You know that it's enough now. So dhatu plus thing is kriya padam, a thing is pratipadikam. So therefore shit pratyas and all everything is covered here. Right?
Yes.
This a thing we can call, a thing would be a krit pratyaya. A thing would be a krit. A thing is called krit, in fact, that is a definition. What is krit? That which is not a thing is called a krit. Okay, the resultant, therefore pratipadikam. And since this is going to be ending with krit, anta, therefore we can call it as
Kritan.
kridanta. Kridanta pratipadikam. You can just call pratipadikam or kridanta pratipadikam. It is derived from a dhatu by adding a pratyaya which is krita, and it is a thing. And under krita there are so many pratyayas. There are some shit pratyayas. Those pratyayas will enjoy the sanya sarvadhatuka. That is what the definition is. Thing shit sarvadhatuka. It's clear. No.
No.
Huh?
I
Say one
didn't-
more time. The last line.
There are so many krit pratyayas are there. Okay.
Hmm.
Some pratyayas you will see with shakara as intellecta. Shit pratyayas are also there. So those shit pratyayas will enjoy the sanya sarvadhatuka. What else? Huh? That's what I said. I didn't say anything new. Krit pratyayas, it's a huge list of pratyayas. It's a huge list. Okay.
Shit is one more.
Shit
Dhatu-
is not shit is vanam. There are
Shit.
pratyayas in
Shit.
which shakara as interletter is there in krit pratyayas. Those are
Sarvadhatu.
sadhatuka pratyaya. And suppose the krit pratyayas, under krit pratyayas, suppose there are pratyayas which are not shit, then what would it be?
Ardha.
Exactly, that's what it is. Simple. Adhadhatukam. Right? I think pratyayas could be a sarvadhatuka or an adhadhatuka.
Depending on whether it is shit or not.
Exactly. That much you understand. Don't probe about adhadhatuka. We are not interested in adhadhatuka now. So I think pratyaya when we see. Now another thing you can, if you are if you don't have, if you ask, I will tell. Otherwise, suspend that for the time being now. Yeah, somebody asking some question. What is that? Suvasi, what did you ask?
See, dhatu plus a thing is not, and plus krut, then it becomes krudan.
Who said?
So pratyaya has to be added to this dhatu plus a thing anga.
Dhatu plus
Dhatu plus a thing plus krut pratyaya. Why it is put in bracket?
Krit is an I think pratyaya.
who said that dhatu plus atin plus krit? Where did you study this?
No, I am just asking because this a thing is krut.
See, kalpana, how can be asked? Ashruta kalpana it is. It is not said imagining, then how can be answered?
So ating is krut pratyaya.
Ating is Krit Pratyaya, resultant is Kritanta Pratipadikam. Simple.
Sir,
Why Ating after that you add the Krit Pratyaya? Who said that?
Zero.
No, you said, answer that. You have, what you said has got something is there in that. In fact, that is what, I expected anyway. But I thought of putting in abeyance now. But anyway, you asked it. What is that? But what you said is, it's not a dhatu plus ating plus krit. You should have asked the other way. With what you know, you should have asked this dhatu plus ating plus. Then thing you can say. Why krit? If you ask this question, then I would have appreciated. Yes, it's a valid question. Why? Because dhatu plus ating plus thing. This is what I was about to tell. This is not, doesn't it look similar to what we saw in the last class? Like for the example, first conjugation, if you take some dhatu
we
plus
added Gana Vikarana.
exactly shap, and the resultant is a kriya padam, not pratipadikam. Don't say krit.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
is shap is not a thing, right?
No,
Yes.
It's not a thing, yes or no?
No,
not
no.
a thing.
It's not a thing, therefore a thing. Therefore, if it is a thing, then it must be krit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But it is not. Therefore, here, when we say krit pratyaya, please, now you note, it excludes Gana Vikarana Pratyaya. Don't consider Gana Vikarana Pratyaya as ating and as krit. Extend ating Gana Vikarana Pratyaya to krit. In fact, it excludes many pratyayas. Now you know Gana Vikarana, that is enough. It excludes Gana Vikarana Pratyaya. So now the shap, which is a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, and shap is not a thing. Shap being a thing, therefore can we say it is a krit? No,
No.
it is not a krit. Please note, it is not a krit. This we cannot understand without the knowledge of the sutra. Just note this. This is arrangement of based on the arrangement of the sutras, it can be known. We don't know sutra, not required at this stage. So shap, not only shap, Gana Vikarana Pratyayas. How many ganas are there?
10,
10.
11.
All the Gana Vikarana Pratyayas. Not only Gana Vikarana Pratyayas, some more Pratyayas are there. But for us, Gana Vikarana is enough. These are not krit. Please note. Therefore, excluding the Gana Vikarana Pratyayas, the Pratyayas which are ating, they are krit. That should be our understanding. Excluding the Gana Vikarana Pratyayas, all the other ating pratyayas, they are what pratyaya? They are krit.
Krit.
And this krit pratyayas can be added to the dhatu. And the
Dhatu.
resultant would be
Pratipadika.
Kridanta Pratipadikam. Okay. I'll repeat again. The last point, what I say that ating and all, you understand it's okay. Otherwise, it is not going to affect us now, later. But there are some people who are very inquisitive. That's why I told this also. Okay, now please see. Again, I repeat. See, what I want you to understand is what are Sarvadhatuka and Adadhatuka. That is very important. That should be very clear. Ting pratyayas, which are 18 in number, 9 plus 9, 9 Atmanepada pratyayas, 9
Parasmaipada.
Parasmaipada pratyayas, those pratyayas, these are the pratyayas from which the pratyayas corresponding to different lakaras are
Derived.
derived. These are Sarvadhatuka pratyayas. Not only that,
Ship.
Definition is shit. So think pratyas gives you the list of pratyas and also shit pratyas. Pratyaya in which shakara is it. They are all sarvadhatuka. This should be very, very, very clear. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't forget this. Don't say shippa gippa and all. It is just shit. Okay. Think pratyas gives padam. Yes or no? That's why the definition is sup antam ting antam padam. That also don't forget. These are all, it's not the first time we are learning. I've been repeating this many times. Sup ting antam padam. Subantam is a padam.
Yes.
Tingantam also padam.
Padam.
Padam, if a word is a padam, what is a padam? Okay, what is a padam? What is a padam?
Padam is what we use in language.
Prakriti plus pratyaya.
And based on the pratyaya only it is. Prakriti plus pratyaya is not only padam, it's a pratipadikam, we can say it's a dhatu, so many things are there. Okay. So padam is that which is used in the language. We can use only the padam. Apadam na prayunjita. We cannot use that which is not a padam. Any sentence, when you write, right, it must be of a,
Padam.
it must be
Yeah, padam.
certain vibhakti, certain vachanam of a pradipadikam, right? It must be a padam only. If it is a if it is a
Subandha padam.
pradipadikam, noun base, or if it is a kriya padam. Kriya padam is derived from a dhatu. So dhatu, you cannot use a dhatu directly in the language. How can you use? Pat dhatu. Pat can you use? No. You have to convert that into a padam corresponding to purusha and vachana. So these is the only padam. Please remember. Important. Huh? Don't forget this. From the first class onwards, I've been telling this padam. In fact, very first class, when we, after the akshara, we started with this padam. What is a padam? So therefore, think pratyas which gives rise to padam, and think pratyas which are added only to dhatu, not to the pratipadikam, right? They
Yes.
are called sarvadhataka. Not only that, the pratyas in which shakara is it, that is also called.
Sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
Therefore, the sarvadhataka, do you have a list of sarvadhataka pratyas? No. 9 pratyas, that is the
Yes.
think pratyas, and
18.
all the other pratyas. There are many. Therefore, there is no count. Many are there. But we can count it. I can count and tell you how many are there.
Thing is 18.
Sorry.
no?
Yeah, 9
18.
plus 9, 18. This 18, don't think Shit Pratyaya is 1, 18 plus 1. It is not 1. The number is not known. Okay.
Pratyaya in which shakara is 18.
Shakara is it. That is, this problem is this, you don't understand. That's why, you see, last class I gave the example of the pratyas which are shit. Like what? So many examples I gave. Shat. Or Ganavikana pratyaya itself it takes shap. Is it not a shit? Shap.
Yes.
And shan is the Ganavikana for the fourth conjugation. This is also shit. Okay. How do you know it is shit? I write the content within bracket. If I is the content of shap, from that we can make out shakara and pakara must be with letters.
It letters.
Shakara is it. Shakara is it. Therefore
Yes.
it is shit. Similarly, content of shan is ya.
Yeah.
Content is ya. Shakara must be it. Forget about nakara. We are not interested. This is a shit or not? Yes. Therefore, sarvadhataka.
Sarvadhatuka.
Similarly, shnam, for example. You take shnam, content is na. Shakara is,
With letter.
therefore,
With letter.
Content. With letter.
therefore, shit pratyaya.
Shit.
Similarly, sha, sixth conjugation pratyaya. Content is,
Shakara.
therefore, pratyaya is
Content is akara. Sha is the
shit pratyaya.
Yes.
Shanish, content is ana. Content is ana. Shakara is,
With letter.
with letter.
therefore,
It is
sarvadhataka
sarvadhatuka.
pratyaya.
Sarvadhatuka.
Is it clear, Chitraji?
Yes.
Similarly, Shatra. What's Surajji?
Yes, the Shit Pratyaya can also be called as Ganavikarana Pratyaya.
No. You cannot call like that. Shatra, Shanat, Ganavikana Pratyaya.
No.
Shatra and all. No, they are not Gana Vikarana. Not all Gana Vikarana pratyas, all Shit pratyas are Gana Vikarana. Don't come to that conclusion. Huh? Gana Vikarana pratyaya happens to be okay. Then there is one Gana Vikarana is there U. Is it a Shit pratyaya? Eighth conjugation. No? Okay.
Only the content is Gana Vikarana.
Don't extend certain things. You cannot. Here, Shakar, definition is very clear, very tight. The pratyaya in which Shakara is it. We know only little, therefore we cannot stretch it. Shatra, the content of Shatra is At. Shakara is it or not?
Yes.
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 Therefore,
it-
Sarvadhatu.
Sarvadhatuka.
these are some of the examples. There are many are there like that. So therefore, there is no count for this. I have not given the count. Therefore, think pratyas 18 and pratyas which are Shit are Sarvadhatuka. Now, what about the other pratyas? The dhatu need not, it will not take only thing or Shit. It can, there are so many other pratyas are there, dhatu can take. That we can say dhatu plus thing. That we know, kriyapadam, right?
Yes.
And dhatu plus
Ati.
that which is not a thing. What could be?
Pratipadikam.
So either dhatu will take thing pratyaya, results in kriyapadam, or dhatu must take other than thing pratyaya, which may be pratipadikam. So this thing only I am calling it as krit pratyaya. If it is a krit pratyaya, please note, if a thing is a krit pratyaya, then you get what?
Kridanta Padip.
Pratipadikam you get, right? You get a pratipadikam. Kridanta I wrote because we can understand. You can say Kridanta Pratipadikam or Pratipadikam or Kridantam, whatever it is, right? But not all ating pratyas are krit. Please note. Here, not all ating pratyas are krit. Please note that not all ating pratyas are not all ating are krit. Like what? Like shap, for example.
Gana Vikarana.
Like shap, for example. Excluding this, we can note. Gana Vikarana pratyaya, shap is a thing pratyaya.
No.
Yes. Sorry, shap is a krit pratyaya or not? No. Because pat plus shap, if you say if it is a krit, then pat plus shap, what you will get? You cannot add after that thing, you cannot add. Because this will become a
Pratipadikam.
pratipadikam. How can you add pratipadikam thing pratyaya? Meaningless.
Yes.
Therefore, shap is what?
Gana
Not a
Vikarana.
thing. It is not a thing pratyaya. Not a it is a thing, it is not a krit pratyaya, right?
Yes.
If
Akrit.
shap is a krit, then you will get a pratipadikam. Therefore, here pat plus shap, if it is a pratipadikam, then you cannot add a thing. Therefore, shap is not a
Krit pratyaya.
krit pratyaya. That is why I have written here. Please note that not all things are krit, excluding the Gana Vikarana pratyaya. All the other thing pratyas, excluding Gana Vikarana pratyas and some more pratyas, which we don't know. That's okay. And some more pratyas. There are some more pratyas are there, which we don't know what it is, not required now. All the other pratyas, ating pratyas are krit. You understand?
Yes.
Is it clear, Chitraji?
Yes.
Prakashji? Follow
Yes.
this. So, when I say ating is a krit, then you need to understand that krit pratyas, when we say, results in pratipadikam, therefore, which excludes the Gana Vikarana pratyas. So, in this list, shap is a Gana Vikarana, shan is a Gana Vikarana, shnam is a Gana Vikarana, sha is a Gana Vikarana, up to here only. Shanach is not a Gana Vikarana. Therefore, Shanach is what? Okay. Now let me ask this. Same thing I will copy here. You tell me which are krit or which are akrit. The same list. Shap, krit or akrit. Shap pratyaya. What type of pratyaya is this? Krit or akrit?
Krit.
Huh?
Krit.
Krit. If it is a Krit, you know what will happen? That's what I said, Pat plus Shap, you will get a Pratipadikam. Do you get a Pratipadikam?
Akrit.
Akrit.
Pat plus Shap is a Pratipadikam, then how can you add things, sir? So Shap is what? Akrit, not a
Akrit.
Krit. What about Shan, which is also a fourth conjugation? Ganavikarana.
Also a Ganavikarana. Akrit.
That is also Akrit. And what about Shnam? That is also
Ganavikarana, therefore Akrit.
Akrit. So you have to see what pratyaya is that. And Sha,
Is also Ganavikarana.
Akrit.
Then
that is
Akrit.
also Ganavikarana. What about Shanach? That is not a Ganavikarana. I tell you. You don't know what it's Ganavikarana or not. I tell you, it is not a Ganavikarana. Then
Krit.
it's a Krit pratyaya. That's why we have Kridanta, the Pratipadikam, we have many. So that's Shanach.
Okay.
Kurvano Kshiramatmanaha. Kurvanaha Pratipadikam. Kurvanaha, Kurvano, Kurvanaha, Kurvanaha, like that you can decline. Shanach. Labamanaha, Labamano, Labamanaha. From the dhatu, it is derived. Labdhatu plus the Shanach is a Kridanta. The resultant is Labamana. Labamana is a Pratipadikam. You can decline. Understand? So therefore, this is a Krit. Labamana, Kridanta, Kridanta Pratipadikam. We'll talk about that, long way to go. Similarly, Shatra. Shatra is not a Ganavikarana. Therefore,
Krit.
Krit. Right? It's clear, right? Kanash, for example. Kanash. What is the pratyaya?
It's also Krit if it is not a Ganavikarana.
Yes, it is not a Ganavikarana. Therefore, it's a Krit. This Kridanta will give Pratipadikam. Whereas this Akrita, they will not give a Pratipadikam. Understand?
Yes.
Makes sense or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So, that is why he said, we can divide the pratyayas, thing and athing. Under athing, we have shit pratyayas like this. And among these pratyayas, shit pratyayas, excepting the Ganavikarana pratyayas, other pratyayas are there, whether it is shit or ashit, whatever it may be. They will give rise to Pratipadikam. So I have given only those pratyayas here. So here all these pratyayas are what pratyayas? Shit pratyayas, right? Some example, shit pratyayas.
Yes.
Shit pratyaha. Now I'll use other pratyayas. Don't think only shit pratyayas are a thing. There are so many pratyayas. Like the last class we saw. Tumun. What pratyaya is this?
Ashit.
No. Ashit and not required. Why are you saying ashit?
Okay. Someone.
You'll keep on negating, saying something which is not required.
So it'll be.
This is Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. It is a pratyaya. Simple.
Ardhadhatukam.
It is Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Simple. It is Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Yes, it's a Krit or not?
It is a Krit.
It is not a Ganavikarana pratyaya. I tell you, it is not a Ganavikarana. Is it a thing? No, it is not a thing. So you have to write, it is not a thing, it is a thing. Is it Ganavikarana? No. Then it has to be
Krit.
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 Krit pratyaya. And also it is a Adhadhatuka pratyaya. So it's a Krit Adhadhatuka pratyaya. And the resultant would be Pratipadikam. You get a Pratipadikam. Similarly, some more examples. Ta pratyaya, for example. Tha. Content is only ta. Tha. It is not a Ganavikarana pratyaya. Then what pratyaya is that?
Ardhadhatuka pratyaya.
And
Krit.
Krit Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, you will have Kridanta Pratipadikam. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, Nul. Content is Wu. That will become something later. Ana later. Aka later.
It's
See,
a Krit Ardhadhatuka pratyaya.
First you have to ask whether it is a Ganavikarana. No.
No.
Not a Ganavikarana. Therefore, it is
Krit.
Ating. First of all, it is Ating. Number one, Ating. Is it
Ting.
Ganavikarana? No. Therefore, it is Krit.
Krit.
Is it Sarvadhataka? It is
No.
neither thing nor shit.
Nor
Therefore, Adadhataka. Therefore, Krit Adadhataka Pratyaya. The resultant is
Pratipadika.
Pratipadikam. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, what I have added to the last class here is, don't think all Ating are Krit. At least now we have to exclude, able to understand excluding Ganavikana Pratyas. All the other Ating Pratyas are Krit. And Krit ending Kridanta is a Pratipadikam.
Yes.
Ting ending Tinganta is a Kriyapadam.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So there are only two categories in Ating, Krut and Ganavikara.
No.
Say it again.
There are only two categories in the Ating, Krut and Ganavikara.
Yeah, we can say. Not Ganavikana. I said, please see what I have written.
Ganavikara Pratyaya.
And some more Pratyas are not listed, which we
Oh,
don't know. Because we don't know other Pratyas. Do we know all? That's why only Ganavikana we are dealing with. Other Pratyas are there, which we don't know. That is why when I give a Pratyaya, you should ask, is it, it is Ating. Is it a Krit or not? If you know Ganavikana, if it is Ganavikana Pratyaya, anyway, it is not a,
Akrit. It is.
it's not a Krit. If some other Pratyas I give, then you have to ask it whether it is Krit or not. Okay. So Ganavikana Pratyas, which are Ating, are not Krit. So that is, you understand, right?
Yes.
Logically, you can understand. That's what the logic. Shapa plus, say, Pata plus Shap. If suppose if it is Krit, then resultant will be Pratipadikam. Then if it is Pratipadikam, you cannot add Ting Pratyaya. Therefore, this must be,
Ating and
it is Ating and it is not a Krit. Exactly. If it is Krit, then Ti cannot come. But Ti comes. We add the Pratyaya, Ting Pratyaya after that. Therefore, this must be
Akrit.
Krit. So Kridanta, some idea you have, right? So Kridanta. Krit Anta is Kridanta. So Shap Pratyaya is Ating and it is Akrit. You write, understand like that. Shan Pratyaya is Ating and it is Akrit. Shnam Pratyaya is Ating, it is Akrit. Sha Pratyaya is Ating and Akrit. What about Shanacha? Ating but Krit. Therefore, it will give rise to Pratipadikam. If you understand the like this, then it's simple. Shatra is Ating.
And Krit.
It is a Krit. And the resultant would be Pratipadikam. So, Kridanta Pratipadikam, by seeing that you can make out. The Kana should remove it, not required. Now I'll give some more Pratyas. You can just try. Tuman Pratyaya. It is a Ting or a Ting?
Ating.
Ating. Therefore, it is Krit. And Krit Adadhataka Pratyaya gives rise to Pratipadikam. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
That Anta will be, Pratyayanta will be Pratipadikam. Remove this. Ta Pratyaya, which is Ting or a Ting? Ating. It is not a Ganavikana Pratyaya. Therefore, it is Krit. Therefore, Krit Pratyaya Adadhataka Pratyaya. Null. It is a Ating Pratyaya. Therefore, it is, and it is not a Ganavikana Pratyaya, therefore, Krit.
And Ardhadat.
Adadhataka Pratyaya. So, now you tell me. Now we can write directly the properties. All these are properties. These properties you have to tell.
What is the content?
Yeah.
Content is not doesn't matter anything. Anyway, what Pratyaya is that? What are the properties of this Pratyaya?
Ating Krit Ardhadat.
It is Ating. Because of it is Ating, therefore it is Krit. And it is Adadhataka Pratyaya.
Pratipadika.
And it will result in Pratipadikam when you add to the Dhatu. right?
Yes.
Yes.
And tumun, content is tum.
I think
Same thing. Atinkrit Ardhadhatuka.
It is adadatuka pratyaya. Similarly, varach and pratyaya.
Not a Gana.
Ishvara, Nashvara, all those words are derived from this.
Krit
Pratyaya.
Ardhadhatuka.
It is krit adadatuka pratyaya, right? You can say like that, krit adadatuka pratyaya. Ghai, content is a,
It's also Krit Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya.
krit adadatuka pratyaya. An, content is a,
Krit Ardhadhatuka.
Ardhadhatuka.
it is also krit pratyaya adadatuka pratyaya, right? Then u,
Is it Ganavikarna? No.
Yes.
yes,
Is it
it's a
Okay,
gana
then
vikana
it is-
pratyaya. Good question you asked. Therefore,
Then it's Akrit.
it is akrit. Then
Ardhadhatuka.
adadatuka. It is not sarvadatuka. It is not thing. Akrit
Yes.
adadatuka. Right?
Kriyapadam.
Yeah.
Not kriyapadam.
After, yes, sir.
This is gana vikana pratyaya.
Yes, sir.
Has to be followed by a
How will you get the kriyapadam? Kriyapadam after. After that you add
after
thing. Yes,
Pratyaya
yes,
has to be
yeah,
added.
yeah.
Ting Pratyaya
Yes,
when you
yes.
add on
Yeah,
to
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Understand. Fine. That's fine. Yes. Then shnu. Gana vikana pratyaya. Within bracket I hit gana.
Okay, then Akrit and
Akrit.
it is
Ardhadhatuka.
Huh?
so it's a Sarvadhatuka.
Exactly. It's good. It is akrita and it
Sarvadhatuka.
is sarvadhatuka pratyaya because shakara is it letter. Content is nu only.
No, therefore
It is
it is Haladi.
Gana vikana within bracket I am writing gana.
Okay.
So gana vikana pratyaya it is. Therefore it is gana vikana pratyaya. Therefore it is akrita. And nu content shakara is it. Shitvat sarvadhatukam and it is
We can also say Haladi Sarvadhatuka, right?
huh?
Haladi also we can say Sarvadhatuka.
Yeah, you can do all those things. Yeah, further you can say yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. It's correct only. Then next one. Shna, which is content is na, and it is gana.
So Akrit
Ardhadhatuka.
Sarvadhatuka.
Sarvadhatu.
Akrit starodhataka. Is it
Gana.
clear? What Chitraji?
Oh, no. Like I said, when the Gana Vikrana comes, it becomes Akrit. Really.
Okay, now I will ask individually. You tell me. I'll give one pratyaya.
Shall
And
I
ask.
read this is Sarva or Ardhadhatuka? This because it is Shakara, no?
Sarodhataka.
Because because this Shna is written. So that is Murdanya Shakara.
Oh, it's okay. That is one more than so type shakara.
Okay.
There is no pratyaya shna.
Okay.
Okay, now I will write and ask each one of you tell me. See, from the pratyaya, you should make out the properties. The properties are required because the rules depends on the properties. Okay. Suvasi, you tell. Trich pratyaya. You will answer. Okay, others please listen.
It's Akrut Sarvadhatuka. Akrut.
It is akrit. How you say it is akrit?
Which there is no Shakara.
Ardhadhatuka.
Shakara, okay, hold on. She is saying Shakara is not there, so what? Shakara not there. So
It is not. It is a thing.
It is a thing, okay. Therefore,
Yeah.
Krut.
you said Akrit.
It is
Okay,
Krut.
it is correct. Okay, then what else?
Krut.
Simple, two things you tell. Krit or Akrit, Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. Everyone. Yes, what is that now? Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatuka?
It is Ardhadhatuka.
Adhadhatuka, simple. It is not a thing and therefore it is not a, not therefore. It is not a thing, it is not a shit, therefore Adhadhatuka. Right?
Yes, yes.
Understand, right? This is not a thing, this is not a thing pratyaya, not a shit pratyaya, therefore Adhadhatuka. It is not a thing, a thing. Fine. Is it Gana Vikarana? No. Therefore Krit. Understand? Yes? Makes sense, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This property must be clear. Okay, next one. I will write some and ask you, each one of you. Next one. Krishna Swamiji. Nyat.
Left.
Okay, left. Very good. Indraji, you tell.
Yes. It's Ardhadhatuka.
Okay.
Content is here.
Content is here only.
Akrit.
It's not a Krit, according to you.
I think so.
Why it is a Krit? Is it a Gana Vikarana pratyaya? That's what I said. No?
Yes.
Excluding the Gana Vikarana pratyayas and some more pratyayas, all the other pratyayas are
It is
excluding
Gana
the Gana
Vikarana.
Vikarana pratyayas and some more pratyayas, all the other pratyayas are Krit. It is a thing.
Krit.
This is a Gana, I didn't say this is a Gana Vikarana. I didn't write at all.
Gana Vikarana.
It is not a Gana Vikarana. If it is Gana Vikarana, I would have told Gana Vikarana. I would have written here Gana. I have not written here. Then we say it is a Krit.
I took it as Gana Vikarana.
If it is Gana Vikarana, I will tell Gana Vikarana. It is not Gana Vikarana. Then what it is?
It must be Krit.
It is Krit. It is Krit Adhadhatuka pratyaya. Find out Gana Vikarana or not. If it is not Gana Vikarana, it is Krit. If it is Gana Vikarana, it is Akrit. Is it clear?
Yes.
Similarly, thing, shit, Sarvadhatka. If not, Adhadhatka. These 2 points only you need to remember.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Medhaji. Kash. Okay. Yes.
It is not a thing pratyaya and it is not a Gana Vikarana also, so it must be a Krit. And it has Shakara as the letter, so it is Sarvadhatuka.
It is Sarvadhatka. Content is Kha. Therefore, Krit Sarvadhataka pratyaya. Right? Chitraji. Yat. Content is only, simple one.
Yeah. It's Krit and Adhadhatuka pratyaya.
What pratyaya?
Adhadhatuka.
Yes, it's correct only, but I didn't hear properly. Don't be afraid, huh? You can tell confidently. Krit Adhadhatuka pratyaya. The second time if you ask, you can get doubt. Hey, come on, what did I say? This fellow is catching me. Savitriji, ready?
Yes.
Newt, content is you. What pratyaya is that?
Krit Adhadhatuka.
Very good. Krit Adhadhatuka. We will add something to this more also. We will do it later. That is property. Another property is important. Okay. Then Yak, who is left out? Prakashji. Can you say? Yak.
Krit Ardhadat.
Very good. Yak is not a Gana Vikarana because it is not a Gana Vikarana. Therefore, it must be a Krit Pratyaya. And it is not a thing or shit, therefore must be Adadatuka. Right? Then who is left out? Anybody?
No.
I think all have done, right? Okay.
Yes.
Fine. What about niche?
Krut Ardhadhatuka.
It is a
Krut
hmm.
Ardhadhatu.
It is the pratyaya which is used after the 10th conjugation. So it's a Gana Vikarana. It's not a really Gana Vikarana, but anyway, for our understanding, I'm writing here. It is not anyway, Gana Vikarana, it's okay. You can understand to be Gana Vikarana, it doesn't harm us now. It's okay.
Akrut.
So what pratyaya then?
Krut
It is
Akrut.
Ardhadhatu.
Krit,
Ardhadhatu.
Akrit and
Ardhadhatu.
Adhatuka pratyaya. I told, this is Gana Vikarana is a term what we use. Anyway, it's okay. Gana Vikarana you can call loosely. It's not a problem. 10th conjugation, we will be using this pratyaya. Adding this pratyaya, we get a new dhatu. We'll see later. That is a niche here. I'm using here. Okay. So you understand, right? What are Sarvadhatuka and Adadhatuka? How to know a dhatu, a pratyaya as Sarvadhatukam or Adadhatukam? And whether it is a Krit or a Krit. If it is a Krit, the resultant is Pratipadikam. If it is a Akrit, don't say result is Pratipadikam. If it is Akrit, it is Akrit only, nothing. After that, something may happen. We may add the thing pratyas, etc. to convert
Yes.
it to because it comes incidentally in between the dhatu and the pratyaya, like pat plus shap plus tip. That example, you remember?
Yes.
Where we have shap is what? Shap is
is Gana
ating
Vikarana,
pratyaya.
and
Ating pratyaya, Gana Vikarana, not a Krit. Right? Therefore, after that, we add ting pratyaya. Yes or no? So,
Yes.
therefore, Akrit, not all Akrit, we will end in Pratipadikam. So, you can note like that. Fine. So, these properties are important. Later, when we learn this property also will get refined. But at this point, note, this is important. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? The same thing which we
Sharanji,
talked
I
about
have
in the
a
last
doubt.
class. Yeah, please ask.
Say, for Pashyati, the yakara comes, right? The dhatu is drish.
No.
So where do we
Okay,
get this
okay.
yakara here? So I mistook that for Gana.
That is a irregular dhatu which we have not seen.
Okay.
Dhatu is drish dhatu, first conjugation. When you add tip pratyaya, for example, Gana Vikarana will be shap only. Then you should get drishati. No. Because of this Gana Vikarana, the form of the dhatu will change. We have not seen, don't worry.
Okay.
So you will have pashya. Then pashya plus shap, pashya, pashyati you get. There are many dhatus like that in first conjugation.
Okay.
Drish will become pashya. The dhatu itself, the form itself changes.
Okay.
That we will see
Okay, Sharan.
later. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubts, please ask. Is it clear, all of you? Yes.
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 Now with this, if it is clear, next class we will see some more dhatu with the conjugations, first conjugation, and then see another important Angakarya related rules. So these properties are important. So please understand these properties. Go through this. I send this document to you. Krit or Akrit, Sarvadhatukam or Adadhatukam. Krit or Akrit is not required now. But anyway, I taught this, may be useful later. So you can, that's why safely I said Gana Vikarana and some more pratyayas. So later we can add more pratyayas in this. Those are a thing, but not Krit. Other than that, everything else is Krit. So because we are dealing with Pratipadikam derivations, Therefore, we should know what are the krits. Right? Okay. Like the many pratipadikam, sakaranta, etc. All these are kridantas, what we saw. The pratyas, the shabdas, whatever we saw. All these are kridanta, karman, atman. All these are kridanta shabda, manin pratyaya. It is krit pratyaya, unadi, krit pratyaya. All these are kridantas. Atman, karman, whatever shabda, rajan, from the raj dhatu. Rajan, all are kridanta pratipadikam. From that we get the forms. Okay. Right? So kridantas are pratipadikam. Okay, kridantas are pratipadikam. Not kridantas alone pratipadikam. Kridantas are pratipadikam. Not the other way. Don't conclude all pratipadikams are kridanta. I didn't say like that. All kridantas are pratipadikam. Then what is krit we should know. That is why it's connected. Therefore, the way I explained this. Okay. We'll stop here. Wish you all happy Deepavali. We will see after Deepavali. If you want to have class tomorrow, let me know. We can meet tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Okay. Then don't tell me that I was not informed. If you want, we can meet. I'm free.
We can meet.
Your choice. Huh?
We can meet.
Then, what, Chitraji? Language only we are going to see, not this Kridanta, Charvadhattuka and all. Okay.
Okay.
It's only for practice. If you want, you can tell me. Otherwise, I will cancel it. Because if people are joining, you can have. Otherwise, no problem. If you want to enjoy your Deepavali, please do. Your choice. I don't have problem. My job is to teach. I will do it. What do you want?
You can come. You can join.
Huh?
We do, because we can do some practice. Unless we apply, we don't know whether we're able to think spontaneously.
Yes, if you want to some hold on the language, spoken Sanskritam and then understanding, then we need to practice what we were doing in the last class. We'll have it or not? Please tell me.
We'll have. We can ask.
Okay. How many of you will come? Chitra ji, Savitri ji. Okay. Prakash ji, tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
2:30, huh? Okay. 2:30. Fine. We'll meet. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Please go through the class again. I'll send you the document. The document is Sakaranta Shabda. At the end of the document, these notes are there. Okay.
Charanji, Wednesday class is there?
Why not? Why? What's the special anything?
It's Deepavali, no?
Wednesday is not Deepavali, no?
Monday, Tuesday, I think, but Wednesday also. All 3
So all
days.
the all week Deepavali, huh?
I just asked.
Deepavali. Okay. No. We have Wednesday, Deepavali itself, we will have class if you are ready. Okay. What
Yes,
Deepavali under? Huh?
Yes.
All days are Deepavali only. Sanskritam, when Sanskritam is there, Deepavali only.
Yes.
Okay. We'll have class on Wednesday.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha. I sent the document. Please see the end of the document. You will have this discussion. Sarvadhattuka, Adhattuka, Krit, Akrit. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಚರಂಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.